Hello everyone. Welcome back to the GSM6 official YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix IMEI not showing null, zero, or no service issues after updating your phone to the latest OTA. Let's get straight. Download and install GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro from the official website. Install the setup and launch. Also make sure you have installed compatible Android USB drivers to avoid issues while fixing this. Now in the tool, click on Settings tab, then enable Technicians mode. It will display Tensor and Qualcomm tabs. We're going to use these in this tutorial. Connect your phone in ADB mode. Go to Settings, About, and then tap 7 times on the build number. It will enable developer options. Go to the developer options and enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Connect to the computer by using good quality data cable, and allow ADB permissions when it will display a pop-up on your phone. First, we will root our Google Pixel by using One-Click Root via Server option. Click on Root Online or Root Server button. It will find and download available root file for your phone. Up to 90% root files are being uploaded to the backend server. If file doesn't exist, then watch my other video for the direct root method, which is also a one-click root method. After successful operation setup, your phone you will find a Magisk app shortcut in the apps. Now connect in ADB mode again. In Pixel Tool Pro, go to ADB tab and click on Install Magisk. The tool will install the Magisk app properly. Open the Magisk app and it will ask to require additional setup. Click on OK, and the phone will reboot after 5 seconds. After reboot, you will see Magisk app is all ready and the phone is rooted properly. Now we will fix IMEI issues. Make sure the phone is properly connected in ADB mode. Go to Tensor tab and then click on Fix CPID permanent button. Allow root permissions on phone screen and let the tool handle all by itself. During CPID fix procedure, the tool will recover and display its original IMEI and serial number in IMEI input dialog box. If you think the IMEI is corrupted and not correct, then get the original box of the phone and input correct IMEI to fix corrupted IMEI properly. During this procedure, the phone will reboot 2 to 3 times, and it's totally normal. Once CPID operation done, verify your original IMEI in the phone settings. The GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro fixes the IMEI permanently. The CPID configurations remains correct after OTA updates or manual firmware flashing. You can safely lock the bootloader now. Tool lock the bootloader. The phone needs to be flashed first. First, download firmware for your Google Pixel phone and then extract it anywhere in your computer. In Pixel Tool Pro, click on Browse button and then select flash-all.bat file for extracted firmware directory. Now power off your phone and then press and hold volume down and power button until you access the fast boot mode. Click on Flash Firmware button in Main tab, and the tool will start flashing selected firmware on your phone. It may take up to 10 minutes, so be patient. After flash, verify if IMEI is still there. Good, not. Let's lock the bootloader. Power off phone, boot into the fast boot mode again. Go to Fast Boot tab and click on Lock/Relock Bootloader. Now look at your phone's screen. Use phone buttons to select Lock the bootloader. Now the phone will be reset to the factory settings again. Set up your phone and check your network, SIM signals, and IMEI numbers. If you face any issues or stuck at some place, drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Also, you can use our support forum or official Facebook. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.